Hello everyone! Happy September 13th! Today, we celebrate peanut lovers, positive thinking, and a classic children's author. Let's explore 3 joyful events. These celebrations are perfect for gifting, even without a special occasion. And if you missed out, don't worry, more heartwarming events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Peanut Day. A crunchy celebration of one of nature's tastiest snacks. A fun gift could be a gourmet peanut sampler, a peanut-themed cookbook, or a quirky peanut-shaped mug. Are you team crunchy or creamy? Let's settle the debate in the comments. Next, it's Positive Thinking Day. A reminder that mindset matters and optimism can be a gift. A thoughtful gift could be a gratitude journal, a positivity affirmation deck, or a book that uplifts the spirit. What's one positive thought you're holding on to today? Share your sunshine below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's Roald Dahl Day. Honoring the imaginative author behind beloved stories like Matilda and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. A magical gift could be a Roald Dahl bookbox set, a themed bookmark collection, or a storytelling workshop pass. Which Dahl story shaped your childhood? Let's celebrate literary magic in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome!